Good day, idols. I am cooking a fish. I think this fish is sardines. We call here in Bicol turay or lao here in Bicol in Philippines. I put a vinegar on it, natural vinegar. Vinegar came from the coconut tree. Garlic and onions. Ginger in that, and laurel, adgaw, I call it adgaw leaves underneath of that. And now I think it's time to put use cooking oil. This oil used to cook the chicken, fried chicken. It smells good. That's all, idol. Keep safe, stay healthy. Yum.